Today I've got some news. Today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts go sideways on your phone. So you know it's impossible, but it's not actually. So as you can see, I'm just going to load up Shorts. Poor Thomas and Friends has been ruined. As you can see, if we go sideways, it doesn't go sideways. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So the number one thing you do is to click the share button and then click copy this link. Go home, open Safari, and then you paste it in the search box. So as you can see, it will go like this. And there you go. You're watching it sideways. Yeah, this haven't fixed. Yeah, but look at it, sideways. As anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe.